Okay, so what if you have some dynamics and stuff? So let's just turn this one off. I'll just move. So okay, we got dynamics. It goes like that. But for some reason you got junk points here. So you want to remove some of these. So let's say that this is a junk point. Usually that the junk point is like, just a few millimeters large. But let's pretend. So what you could do is you could add softfix here, turn that off, and recalculate. Go here again, and what we'll do now, we'll use this one. Let's say 0.3 or something like that. Okay, let's say 0.1, more like it. And so what I'll do then is I'll tweak this guy here. And that's it basically. I'll just go back here now to frame 0. You can see that change is still applied. And let's see here. Now the trick is to save the endomorph and we'll call that softy or something like that. But it's important to save the object afterwards, so just save all objects or something like that. And with the object selected, we'll go to Modeler. Okay, so Modeler, we'll see that we got the object. If we go to the morph, we'll see that the morph is actually in that position. That's because I moved the object up in the Y on the frame 0. But in this case, I could just schmack that out down on the Y, so it's in the same position. So see the base and the endomorph. So if this was a junk point, that would fairly easily stick out, and well, literally, and we could just delete that. So if this was a really small junk point or junk geometry, we could just go like that, get rid of it. I wish there was an easier way to select the difference between, so I could easily see the difference between the base and the endomorph. Or even select the difference between the base and the endomorph. I don't think there's a way in Modeler to do that. Is there? That would be nice, but I'm not really sure if that exists. I would probably need to hack it by well, there are different ways to hack that, to go about it, but usually it involves baking the difference between the base object and the endomorph using either normal displacement or something like that, and then texture bake it. So hassle. It's possible though. But it would be very nice to do that in Modeler, because if that object was inside here, that would be difficult to see. Of course, you could go to wireframe. So let's just undo this and go to the base, go to the endomorph, so I can see that this point right here was a part of that change. Actually, it's not that difficult then. Then I can just say, well, select the connected ones, convert that to a polygon selection if I want to. Yeah, I guess it wasn't that bad. It was actually pretty easy. Okay. Problem solved, I guess. So that's how you can get rid of junk geometry when using, for example, the fracture tool. And well, right now I was lucky. Usually this will get screwed up, so it will look all funky. I don't know why that didn't happen this time around. Anyway, if it looks funky, then just recalculate. And well, that's it. You can see that junk geometry is gone. Of course, this method applies to a bunch of other situations as well.